Karnakar, a true icon of kindness. He was a visionary who dedicated his life to making education accessible to all in Sri Lanka.
Through his tireless efforts, Karnakar made education a right, not a privilege. He believed that every child deserves the chance to learn and grow, regardless of their background.
Taking inspiration from his remarkable work, we, the class of Primary 1, have come together to present our class assembly to show the kindness ingrained in the hearts of our fellow Sri Lankans.
Now we welcome two foreign teachers who have come to Sri Lanka for the Teachers Meet Teachers global event. They are about to witness the kindness that radiates throughout our nation.
Get ready to embark on a heartwarming journey as we showcase the acts of kindness that our country has to offer.
Finally, we are arrived in Sri Lanka. I can't wait to explore and learn more about this place. But first, let's find out Django. Dad, welcome to Sri Lanka. I am here to pick you up on behalf of Burani Secondary School. Let me get your luggage. सैयदना मोहम्मद बुरहानी आकारी बांधो बनावे सातवां के मेजबान मेहमान नु इकराम अला आहसनु शाकिरत करे मेहमानों ने करामत सी पेश आवे a host should honor his guests in the best way possible.
So, let me help you cross the road.
Thank you, my son. Allah bless you.
We are waiting so much time. Hello, mister. Can you hear? Sorry, sorry.
Godak istudi oyage karna vantagama mata godak vanirawa. Surely he must be making a ton of money. हमेशा सभी को कंट्रोल जोवे रहना मुकद्दर देवी teacher that we must always use Sadhguru keeps away misfortunes and suffering. Yes, it's quite packed. Thankfully,
We could have helped but notice the kindness displayed by the students here. It's quite different from where we come from.
Kindness is something we emphasize in our classroom. It starts with us, the teachers, as we encourage and talk about kindness with our students. This country has taught us valuable lessons about kindness and compassion. We realize that we have missed opportunities to be kind in the past.
You're right. We could have helped the blind person, offer some money to the needy, or even show a small act of kindness by giving up our seat. But it's never too late to change our ways. Let's promise to be kinder and more compassionate, not just here, also when we return home.
Look over there. That person seems to be struggling with his bag. Let's go over a helping hand.
Absolutely. Let's assist him.
Hey, let me help you with that.
Oh, thank you. I could appreciate it. This journey has taught that simple acts of kindness can make a world of difference.
Absolutely. Kindness is universal. It's up to us to spread it wherever we go.
आका मौला ये आशा लशना मुबारकामा फरमायूं के रसूलुल्लाह फरमावे छे अर्थल कुल्लुहु या अल्लाह हफ़ज़हुहु इलैहि All of creation is a family dependent upon Allah Ta'ala. Therefore, the most beloved to him is the one who benefits the family. As our assembly comes to an end, we are reminded of the timeless value of kindness.
Thank you for joining us on this journey, celebrating the power of kindness.
May the lessons we have learned inspire us all to make a difference in the world around us.
We want to say a big thank you to our principals of